Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zwift Play. First, fully charge both of your Zwift Play controllers using the provided USB-C cable before your initial ride. Once charged, open the Zwift game and navigate to the pairing screen to connect them wirelessly. Finally, securely attach the controllers to your handlebars, making sure they are comfortable and within easy reach for your hands. This quick setup ensures a seamless and immersive experience. The left-hand controller is your primary tool for steering within the game. You will use its joystick to guide your avatar left and right, navigating the virtual roads of Watopia and other worlds. Remember, subtle movements are key. Think of it like gently leaning into a turn rather than sharply yanking the wheel. Take some time to get a feel for the steering responsiveness and practice maneuvering through groups of riders. This precision will greatly enhance your ride enjoyment. Now let's talk about the right-hand controller, which handles two crucial actions: braking and power-ups. You can gently apply the brakes to navigate sharp turns more smoothly or to strategically maintain a close drafting position behind other riders. When you collect a power-up, such as an aero boost or a feather weight, simply press the designated button on this controller to activate it. Using these tools effectively can be a game changer, especially during competitive events or challenging climbs. Beyond the basics, your Zwift Play controllers offer advanced interactions to enrich your ride. To perform a U-turn, simply press and hold both brake buttons for approximately 1 second. This allows you to quickly reverse your direction on course. You can also change your current route mid-ride through a quick menu accessed directly from your controllers. Furthermore, the controllers provide impressive haptic feedback, letting you physically feel different road surfaces like cobblestones or the sensation of a rapid descent, adding a deep layer of immersion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.